Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another video here for SyllaFX. So in this video we're doing a quick recap of the VIP entry zones that I gave out to the group yesterday and for the trades to be taken on November the 21st on the different currency pairs. So let's go ahead and jump right into that here. Alright, so jumping right into the euro dollar pair first to take a look at that entry zone that I sent out to the group. So in this one, we were looking at price to come back down into a 1 hour support level, and we were hoping to get a rejection to actually take a buy position on that one. Now, price did come into that support level. Unfortunately, we didn't actually get the confirmation to take a buy because price never actually rejected that zone to close above the zone for us to take a buy entry on that. So unfortunately, we didn't have a trade on that one, but we also didn't lose a trade on that one. So we'll move on to the next currency pair. For the dollar yen, on this one I did not actually send out an entry zone for this particular pair yesterday. There wasn't really a zone that I was looking for that would be a good entry point for that pair. So we'll move on to the Aussie dollar pair here. So on the 15-minute chart, Aussie dollar pair, we did have an entry zone that this would have been a valid buy position based on my trading rules that I follow. So at that time we were right above the major support level at that point, and I was looking for price to come back down into that zone and actually reject for a buy position. Now all of my rules were pretty much met on this one, so this would have been a trade that I would have actually taken. Now just for disclosure, Monday the 21st, I didn't actually take any trades on my live account itself, but this entry zone would have been one if I was following, I would have taken this buy position, and as you can see, this would have been a losing trade on that one, and we actually had a stop loss set of 13 pips on that one, so we would be down about 13 pips on this entry zone for the Aussie dollar pair. So let's move on to the next pair. For the pound dollar, so I did have an entry zone set up for that to take a look at a sell position. Now on this one, price never actually made it back into that resistance zone for us to actually reject and get a confirmation for a sell. So this was an invalid entry zone, so we didn't actually have a trade on that pair either. Now down to the Aussie yen, we did not have an entry zone set up for that one, none that I was sent out to the group. So we'll go down to the pound yen. So on this one, no entry zone as well. I think I only sent out maybe 3 or 4 entry zones yesterday, so the pound yen was not one that I actually placed one on. I believe it was the same for EJ, so euro, yen, no entry zone on that one too. And I did have one on the gold though, so the entry zone was up here at this major, I believe it was a 1 hour resistance level based on this break of this support here that was done. So if we look at that, we were looking for price to come back up into that zone, but as you can tell, price never made it up into that zone for us to get a rejection or get any type of confirmation for a sell position on that. Unfortunately, no trade on that one, but if the price doesn't do what we need it to do, we don't take a trade. It's as simple as that, and we keep moving. So out of all the entry zones that I sent out, the 3 to 4 that I sent out to the group yesterday, we had one loser. So as of Monday, November the 21st, we will be down 13 pips for the week. So I'll go ahead and get the new entry zone sent out to the group this evening here to trade for November the 22nd, and we'll take a look at those later. Thanks for watching. Want to become a full-time trader? Start making money trading from home today with the SyllaFX VIP entry zones. Receive multiple trade entry zones every weekday for different currency pairs. You also get access to the full SyllaFX trading course, as well as live trading sessions. Go to SyllaFX.com now and join the VIP entry zones.